And welcome back to Chuck's Laboratory. Today we're opening up a package we just received from Adafruit. You see their pretty unique packaging here. Robots, resistors, transistors, the Adafruit. Looks like some sort of integrated circuit here, LEDs, and snake. I guess is a connection there somehow. We also have our cat chasing robot here observing as we crack this open, because some of the parts here are going to be used for the cat chasing robot. Okay, first up out of the box here we have I think I need my glasses. One of those things where I'm not always 100% sure what I ordered. So okay, yeah, Proto Shield for the Arduino kit. So this has got a couple of LEDs and the buttons and a couple of potentiometers. We're going to use the LEDs to output states on the cat chasing robot here, and the potentiometers we're going to use to adjust some of the control variables. Basically, there's a few random control variables that are in the cat chasing robot software that it'd be nice to be able to control them just with a potentiometer. So that does mean actually we're going to have to separate the motor shields from the main driver board there. Don't worry about it. It's going to be fine. It's going to be fine. Yeah, he's obviously not sure about that, but yeah, it's going to be just fine. Alright, what do we have here? This is the Adafruit Metro 328 starter pack. Okay, so we're going to come back to that in a second, because the other piece we're looking for is right here. So this is actually the main thing that I was shopping for when I went to their site, and this is a mounting board for an Arduino Uno footprint and a small breadboard. So I believe there's two of these. The idea, of course, is they're going to be used for prototyping some of the sensors for this robot here, as well as for the Conqueror robot. This allows me to prototype the sensors and make sure the threads work without messing with the wiring and sensors that are already installed on the robot here. But yeah, that's what this is for here, the Adafruit. This has got the set of power connections here. So we have a 9-volt connector. We got the mini breadboard. Bunch of headers. Here's the other Proto Shield. Yeah, so it comes with a Proto Shield. So we've got two breakout Proto Shields we're able to use for expanding the cat chasing robot. A bunch of resistors. This is called a budget bag. That's interesting. Some jumper wires. And here's the main component. Let's just have a look and see how it looks. This is the Metro 328. There we go. It's a very nice looking job here. I think, oh wow. I wasn't expecting that serial connector. That is a USB-B, perhaps? I'm not sure if it's visible in the camera there. That's a sort of a D shape. Not the universal, easy to connect one that I already have many of. But that's fine. This isn't going to be used for a lot of things anyways. Some rubber feet as well. That's kind of nice. Looks like it's made really well. Although I am kind of surprised about the USB connector there. Now I'm pretty sure that this does come with its own USB cord, so I'm not super worried about that. This is the other piece I was looking for here, the switching power adapter. This is going to fit very nicely in for doing development on the cat chasing robot, because I found that it chews up battery like crazy. I assume that's because the ultrasonic sensor is pulsing around every 60 milliseconds. So I think that's doing a lot of impact on the battery here. So for development, we'll be using the AC power supply. And sure enough, yeah, there's the USB serial wire, little breadboard. Okay, this is kind of classy. This is a coaster with the Adafruit emblem on it, and to be honest, I kind of bought a lot of this stuff just because I wanted to make sure I got the free Adafruit logo here. So this is pretty nice, actually. This is quite rigid. This is the kind of thing that'll last a while. It's not made of paper, not a paper coaster. It comes with some rubber feet on it as well. Next up, the other Proto Shield. Oh, so I have 3 of these. Okay, so the 328 starter kit comes with a Proto Shield, plus I got 2 separate. So I got 1 spare already. That's fantastic. The Servo Shield. Okay, so this is a servo shield that I believe supports 14 servos, if I remember correctly. So the I2C connector. I don't want to lose any of the headers on it. Hey Maisy. Maisy's observing here. I'm not sure if she's going to jump down. She really enjoys the robot, but she's staying off camera for now. So we'll have to install the headers here, but 16 channel 12-bit pulse width modulation driver. So yeah, so 16 channels. So we're going to be able to support 16 servos. Now that's not going to be for a robot. We have another project in mind that's going to be using the servos. I think it's only going to be using 12, but hey, we got 16. This piece here and this piece here, we have a couple of really unusual little bits. This is the Trinket Pro and the Trinket Power, Trinket Backpack add-on, and the Trinket Pro 5V. So basics of our Arduino along with the power. Maisy's moving the camera on us. Crazy cat. And just basically gives us an opportunity to try to miniaturize a robot. As I do have a... Oh, nice jump, Maisy. There she goes. Well, I think that's it there. So pretty excited to start doing some testing and building out a status board for the cat chasing robot. 3 status LEDs, red, green, yellow, and blue. We'll have the status LEDs kind of showing down here on the side, and potentiometer will be along the other side there. So there's something to look forward to. In the meantime, yeah, Maisy up on the back of the bar here. Looks like she's about to drop my solder sucker on the robot. I better go interrupt this shenanigans for now, but thanks a lot for watching us as we unpack our Adafruit order, and looking forward to putting some of these parts in play. Thanks for joining, and have an awesome night.